Well, guys, I'm sitting here trying to get ready to finish up this video on this phone, and I just knocked everything but the phone into the floor. All the screws, everything. Son of a bitch. This is going to be fun.
Oh, you idiot!
Jedi dumbass.
Ha! There's the dumbass.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich.
I would like to introduce the newest, hopeless appendage to the student body.
Idiotic human.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the bench we have a very, very sad Samsung cell phone here. Looking to get the screen replaced, and wow, look at that. I mean, it is just bent all to hell. Display definitely broken, and I mean, that's the screen protector and it's bowed up off of it. That's how much of a bend there is. The fingerprint scanner here is half hanging out of it. Well, here you can go, you can really see it here. See that big gap right there? That's how far this frame is bent. I mean, it is toast. So let's see if we can't straighten the frame out and put a screen in this. We'll just go ahead and just do this one like the last one. We'll just see if we can pop it open with our fingers, maybe. Yeah, look at that. Damn fingernail works better than the tools. The customer just, you know, supplied a LCD. I told him I would try, no guarantees. We will see what we can do here, if we can get into it here. I'm really trying to do this without doing tools, but I don't see that happening, so where the hell's my pick? There it is. That's the only one I got that doesn't break. Just roll this around here. You know, we probably should pop this OSD card slot out, or SIM card tray, because we're gonna break stuff. Maybe we can get it out. Come on, come out of there. There it is. There we go. Now maybe we can make some better progress here. Come on, baby. There we go. So that's the thing, you guys, you just get good at doing it. You just got to do it more. The more you do something, the better you're gonna get at it. Yeah, you're gonna fail and fuck up, you know, at the beginning, but that's to be expected. You're learning. That's why there's apprentices. As an apprentice, you're supposed to be learning from the experience, and that's something that I see that's dying these days. Is none of these kids are stepping up to keep it going, you know. These old guys can't do it forever. It's up to, oh shit, oh, okay. Fingerprint scanner looks to be okay-ish, maybe. Like I said, I really don't think they're worried about the fingerprint scanner. I think they're more just worried about getting a display in it. So we're just gonna leave that like that for right now. And zero work. Oh yeah, zero gets in there and grabs it. I'm trying to figure out what those extra screws on my mat are from. Last thing I was working on, I don't remember any silver screws. They were all black. But if nobody misses those screws, are they really even missing? You know, the whole Schrodinger's cat deal. It'll probably go the rest of its life and nobody will ever know. Okay. Go ahead and pop these out. Gotta see if we can straighten this frame out some. I should have told them just to get a frame for it and just do a frame replacement, but they didn't want to spend the extra money. They wanted me to try this first, so if it doesn't work, then they're just out a screen and a frame, and I don't know what they're gonna do with the screen. So screens are, I think, like 15-20 bucks for this. So one more. We will see what we can do here, guys. Let me know down in the comments, you think I'll be able to get this done? I'll figure out how to get this off of here now. There we go. And top one up here. Oh, still missing another screw here. Come here, grab it. There you go. Alright, any more screws? I don't think we're good. There we go. You know, I already hear you guys yelling in the comments from the last video about me using metal tools, so I guess I'll make you happy. And there we go. And we'll undo this one. And let's see here, we gotta take out, how much of this do I really need to take out to get that display off? I don't know. This can crushed in here is probably not a good thing. This can's crushed in. The device was working, making noise, you know, getting notifications and everything. Wow, it looks like something got spilt on it down here. Well, that's crazy. Looks like an extra part. Alright, let's see what's going on with our fingerprint reader here. Is it just popped out of the case a little bit? Yeah, there's a crack in the case right here. I try and do this without breaking this flex cable. Come on, pop under there. Come on, baby. There you go. Alright. We'll just take it out for now. That's gonna be a bitch to get back in probably though, so we probably just screwed the pooch there, but oh well. We'll find out when we get to that bridge. Alright. Let's take some more screws out of here. Pretty sure we gotta get this main board out. There's one right there. And I just seen our main board come loose, so that should be everything. We'll pop the antenna loose here. Or the coax cable. There we go. And what is this? The front camera. Probably need to unplug that. Oh, we can just take the whole front camera out. Well, there we go. Let's get that all dirty. Alright, now can we get we got the volume switches. Maybe we flip it out this way. Yep, okay, those are just contacts. Well, there's been some moisture in this phone, I'll tell you what. You see a little bit right there. There's something going on down here, so. Alright. There's our main board. Not seeing a... oh, this is the display cable here. Okay. So we probably didn't need to take the main board out. But we most definitely probably need to take out the battery here. So let me grab some isopropyl alcohol to put in my syringe here, and we'll start working on this battery. Come back. Alright, now we got our syringe here filled up with some alcohol. We're just gonna start squirting a little bit up underneath this battery here. See if we can't get this adhesive here loosened up. If this don't work, we will try and put some heat on it. Give it the old heat and pry. Let's see, what do I got in my goodie box over here? Maybe we can get up underneath here. Just hold some pressure on it. Let that alcohol seep down in there. See if we can't shoot some up in there. Come on. Come on. There you go. You're coming. I need some more pry action. More better. Come on. I'm getting ready to put some heat to you. Oh, we're getting there. I hear it releasing. I'll give her another shot. Probably got way too much in there. There we go. There it comes. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh no, we're losing it, we're losing it. Come back here, there we go. Alright. Now we get to do the fun part. Let's go ahead and get this bottom board out of our way here. And yep, that's it. Where are you? Oh. There we go. Boy, there ain't nothing to these things. Alright, that's probably for our digitizer. This is our display cable. Got our speaker. Looks like a Taptic engine. Yeah, not bad. Alright, now the fun part. I'll just peel this. Let me grab my trash can, slide it out here a little bit. I'll just go ahead and pull this screen protector off here. Get that out of our way. Yeah, this frame is fucked. Let's, do I want to heat this? I think I do. Let me, get my heat bed heated up. I don't know, 200 degrees. And we'll come back after we've got the heat plate heated up and leave it bake for a little bit. Alright guys, looks like good and baked here. Go ahead and pull this off of here. Ooh, a little warm. Turn all that off. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Ooh, she is toasty. Just getting a spot to start. Safety squints, engage. This is gonna suck. That's still some pretty stout adhesive, even with the heat. Come on. If we can just get up underneath here. There we go. We should be able to just pry this out of here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Out with the old. And see if we can't straighten this frame up. Boy, she is sad. Sad. And we gotta get all this here cleaned out. You guys don't want to watch me do all this, do you? Alright, well, nothing to it but to do it. Journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. I think I need to get me some picks. Maybe throw this back on the heat. I think I might try that. What do you guys think? More heat, more better? Alright, let's try that. Throw it on some heat. Get our printer back on here. Oh, temperature, we'll just preheat ABS. We'll leave that on there for a few. I think it's actually It's actually flattening out pretty good. I need a little bit more up here and maybe some more right in here, but we may actually get that frame flattened back out. Alright, let's let this simmer a little bit, and we'll come right back at you.
What you guys are doing right now is weird.
Recording isn't weird.
Alright.
You want to know what we're doing.
Seems like we got this heated back up here again. Let's see what we can do with it. You can stop. Oh. Started playing shorts there on me. The devices are becoming aware. It won't be long before the uprising begins. Oh no! How about you? You want to get in there good and deep like? Oh yeah, you do. Damn. I see now why this is, you guys charge what you charge for screen replacements. Because, this kind of sucks here, guys. I gotta make sure and get all this crap off of here so we don't break the new display. But just remember, guys, if this old idiot can do it, anybody can do it. It's just about trying. Hey, we may not succeed on this one, but you know, it was worth a shot. You can still see it's still a little bending through here a little bit. Right here. I don't know, maybe. Let's just keep scraping along here. How about we try using maybe, I don't know, maybe a little flathead. Yeah, something like this. Oh yeah. That gets in there right nice. Oh, see, it's all about the right tool here, guys. I still got you in frame. Fuck, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm recording at this point. We're all just here along for the ride. Oh, yeah. Get in there. Make sure you guys are down there hitting that like and subscribe buttons. You know, it's absolutely free to do that, and it'll help us get this channel out here. You know, we've started building a little bit of a viewer base, but we still got a long road ahead of us. But with many hands makes light work. If we can all help each other out, even if it's just a little bit, boy, wouldn't this world be a much better place? Instead of everybody always trying to tear everybody down, you know, let's give our fellow man a hand. Most of the time, that's all we need. We just need just a little hand. Somebody to help pull us back up. We're almost there, guys. But I think I'm just going to end up using some adhesive I got here to reattach this display. Once we get all this fucking glue out of here, Jesus Christ. No, that's not plastic I'm scraping up, that's still the adhesive. Yeah, that's still rubbery. Seems like I'm scraping up the plastic though. Alright, looks like we just got the one side left here. And I think we're pretty well cleaned off. And we can see about maybe getting this thing back together. Oh, that was nice. That was a real nice one. Gotta celebrate the little things there, people. It's all about the little victories in life. If you don't celebrate them, it makes it a lot harder to fight the war. Come on, just this last little piece here. Right here in this corner, and I believe this is the corner that initially struck the ground, possibly. I don't know. I'm sure smarter minds than me can figure it out, but we don't really care right now, do we? Alright. Looks like we got pretty well all of it. A little bit more here. Looking pretty good here. Alright. Get all this shit out of the way. Alright, let's grab our new screen here. Whatever that says, high quality screen replacement. Yep, sure, why not? Oh yay! More bullshit ass fucking tools. Yeah, words are hard. That we will use. Fuck it. Why not? Alright, so we have our display and a screen protector. That's nice. Okay. So honestly, there was no reason for us to take the battery out. Well, that's good to know for next time, right? See, we're learning. We are learning. So we will just go ahead and plop our battery back in here. And we will go ahead and put our main board back in here. See, is that the frame bent or is that the board bent? Yeah, that's still the frame bent. Yeah, it's still bent right here. Alright guys, we're back at it here. Camera died on me, so we charged it up a bit, and I think we were trying to finish getting this frame here straightened out. As you can see, it's still bent a little bit right in through here, so I'm trying to be careful I don't break this thin plastic through here. So trying to, you know, just kind of flex it and hold. That's looking pretty good, I think. Alright, let's get everything else back in here. Get our main board back in. That main board's bent a little bit. We'll see what happens. I think we just had one screw in each board. It's a little bit, I think it's a double lot. Let me try one of these bullshit ass screwdrivers. That one seems to work. Oh wow, they're actually magnetic. That's a nice feature. But I think when we put the rest of the screws in that top cover, I do believe that's enough to hold this board down. So we'll just continue on putting everything back in here. Grab our other black screw. Don't get them mixed up. So honestly, we didn't have to take none of this out. We could have left everything in there. I know I hear you guys down there yelling at me in the comments, but this is how we learn, guys. Push our cable back down into the slot here. Plug these back in. One of these is always a right pain in the ass. Why you gotta be a bastard? Come on. There we go. Wait. There we go. Nice little clicks out of them. Alright, now I do believe, yes, we have to wait on our covers until we actually get the screen on. Now we gotta take our adhesive here. I'm gonna use some of this E6000. The only downside to this is it takes 72 hours to fully cure. If I can get the lid off, but as you can see, it seems like it's pretty tough stuff. The only thing that sucks is the applicator. So I'm just going to use this here little screwdriver and smear it around if I can get some out here. Man, this is still going to be an absolute mess. Luckily though, this stuff's pretty easy to clean up. It just kind of, when it's not in between the surfaces, it just tends to act more like a rubber cement, and just, you can rub it off. So yeah, we'll just paint this all the way around, guys. I don't think I'll keep you with me for all of this. Pretty painstaking, boring process, and I'm just taking my time, trying to stretch a bead out over it here. Seems to work pretty good. You got any more tips on this? Kind of wish I had some toothpicks down here, so I don't have to get my screwdriver here all nasty and have to clean it up, but it is what it is. I'm not really that worried about it. So yeah, we'll just continue around here, and it's actually going a little faster than I thought. Get a nice little string pulling off of this blob here. Just kind of stretch it along here. Nice thing is though, this stuff's got a pretty long working time. I think you got like 15 or 30 minutes, something like that. So it gives you plenty of time to get it applied and get it together. And like I said, the only thing that really sucks about it is that 72 hours to fully cure. So, but once you get that done, you're alright. Let's see, we're starting to gum up on here. Fuck it. We'll just use our t-shirt. That's what we got shirts for, right? Same as a paper towel. I'm almost wondering if maybe I should have cleaned this up with a little IPA. Yeah, this really don't matter. It'll be alright. We got so much of it in here. Almost wondering if it might have been better to just smear it on the back side of the screen. What do you think, guys? Oh, this right here seems to work pretty good. I don't know if I should put a little dab in the middle. There was no adhesive from factory, so I think we'll just leave it be. We'll just smear this schmoo around the outside of it here. And then we gotta clamp our display on there. And wait 3 days. I'll give it the full Monty on the cure time, so we're guaranteed not to have any issues. Alright, there's our cap. Get that back on there. Get this off the end of our screwdriver here. See if we can't get this dropped in without making a complete mess. Alright. Through that hole. Through there, come on. There we go, just like that. I'll grab it. Oh no, I forgot that. Come on, grab this off of here. It's our protector for the camera. I'm just gonna kind of wiggle and move and schmooze this right into place. Actually, it looks like we did a pretty good job flattening this, got glue on my finger, flattening this case out. This frame. Very nice. Alright. First things first, let's get some clamps on here. Alright, so I got my clamp here. I think what we're going to do is we're going to set this upside down. No, I don't want to do that. It'll end up gluing it to my silicone mat here. Let's get the ribbon cable out of the way, and then we'll just there we go. Make sure we're sitting down in there good. I think we need more clamping. Let me grab some more clamps. Yeah, I'll have to grab some more clamps. This one here is not really gonna work. I'm almost afraid this one's gonna break the screen, so give me just a moment, guys, and I'll grab some clamps. We'll be back at it. Alright, well, I really couldn't find some suitable clamps, but I got this big bar of 1-inch steel. So I think we're just gonna lay this right across the top of this, like so, kind of across the battery. And that should give us plenty. I don't know. Maybe it'll give us enough downforce. It don't seem like it's really pushing on here very well. This frame's still a little cattywampus. Maybe I slide my silicone mat. I got a piece of stainless underneath it. Maybe something like this here. No, I don't want to fuck up these contacts. I don't know, guys. Maybe something like this. Did you hear the crack? I didn't hear it crack, so. Alright. We're gonna leave this like this for 3 days, and we'll come back and check on it then. Like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Let's work on getting this channel going, guys. We're at 161 subs. Let's keep going. Alright, you guys take care. Be safe out there. It's a crazy world we live in. Peace.